Yeah, so I think the most valuable insight I gained today was just to see all of the different people who were all working on quite similar areas to me. Particularly, it was learning how to use the WIFA tool, which integrates like different flow models together. And yeah, I mean, the people who developed the tool were in the same room, so I got a chance to ask, how to use it and how to set up the workflow that I was looking for. And yeah, just learning about the standardized formats and all of this. So, yeah, I think the main challenge was learning how to work with the format of data that we were given. So we were given some observational data, and yeah, I mean the best way that we managed to overcome this was just by asking all of the experts that we were lucky to have around us. And yeah, so I think the more questions we asked, the more we got our problems solved. So yeah, I would say that was it.